Okay, I'm just going to show you how to remove the seats out of this Citroen Picasso, Xsara Picasso. First of all, remove the load cover. Then make sure you remember to move the seat belt out of there. Just take it out the slot. The little grey lever on the side. At the back there's a black handle, which if you can see it is there, but I'll show you another view. Underneath there's a red lever. Now the red lever locks the seat in position there, so you have to pull the red lever, take it back a little bit, and then take it out. The chair won't come out if you have it at a 90-degree angle. You've got to lean it back a little bit. So same again, middle seat, grey handle at the side, black handle here, little red handle there, straight out. Seat belt, grey handle, pull forward, reach around the back, black handle, and then little red handle, and just take out. And that's all the space you've got.